the world's largest cryptocurrency, is rallying hard, and we're here to cover everything you need to know. Prices, institutional adoption, and the future of Bitcoin mining. It's all coming up. I'm your host, Layah Heilpern, and this is the Exodus Crypto News Roundup. Bitcoin is making new local highs as we speak, breaking out to prices we haven't seen since May of this year. At $57,000, Bitcoin is just 13% below its all-time high of $64,500. Once we break through $65,000, and a lot of people think it's coming soon, the next stop is nothing short of $100,000. That is a big number, but with inflation running hot and a Bitcoin ETF in the works, it's fairly likely we can get there. It's very exciting times, and if you're into altcoins, then don't worry. We've seen this happen a dozen times already, where Bitcoin pumps and then the altcoins dump. Once Bitcoin has its run and makes new all-time highs, it usually actually retraces 5 or 10%, and then the rest of the market starts to go crazy. According to BitMEX's CEO, Alexander Hopner, more developing countries are likely to adopt Bitcoin as an official currency. El Salvador has already become legendary in the crypto community for making Bitcoin legal tender. And although the move hasn't been without controversy, the benefits so far seems to outweigh the drawbacks. Other developing countries are keeping tabs on El Salvador, and if they like what they see, well, then they could start considering Bitcoin as well. For his part, Hopner actually believes that by the end of 2022, another 5 countries will be using Bitcoin. Let's hope he's right. Turning to the markets now, the SEC recently approved the Volt Crypto Industry Revolution and Tech ETF. Rather than invest in individual currencies, the Volt Fund invests in publicly traded companies that have exposure to Bitcoin. Think MicroStrategy or any other company that's held a majority of its assets in cryptocurrency in the last year. The Volt Fund isn't the Bitcoin ETF we've all been waiting for, but that ETF might not be that far off either. Quite a few prominent people in the crypto industry believe that Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC, might approve a futures-based Bitcoin ETF by the end of this year. Excellent. Starting about 6 months ago, there was quite a bit of FUD in the crypto markets about how much energy Bitcoin uses. Thankfully, a lot of that fear seems to have dissipated, and we're already starting to see a more bullish narrative emerge. Senator Ted Cruz has claimed that there's an enormous opportunity for excess natural gas to be used to power Bitcoin miners. This natural gas is normally burnt off into the atmosphere, and using it to power Bitcoin miners would actually be more environmentally friendly.
We shouldn't destroy people's lives and livelihoods from complete ignorance.
El Salvador is also moving ahead with its volcano Bitcoin mining scheme, and the first mining operation is officially online. It's off to a slow start, but the mining facility works as planned. El Salvador could quickly ramp up production in the next coming months. That's bullish for Bitcoin and the planet, a true win-win scenario. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we've got plenty more of these videos, so just click any of these to keep watching. And remember to like if you liked it and sub if you dug it.